While we have a crisis in education, some educators look to AI to uncover a tool that brings something our education system desperately needs: empathy. Humans can't learn or teach effectively without it, and this book shows how AI can foster empathy in ways we've never seen before. Using AI in education is like when the printing press first showed up. It's a game changer. Some communities will get on board and move ahead, but those who don't will be left behind. Imagine a classroom where AI makes learning fun again, turning complex ideas into exciting adventures for students. AI is revolutionary. It is a tool that can elevate literacy and comprehension levels, transforming entire communities and shaping the future of learning. AI won't replace teachers. AI is a powerful tool that mimics human speech and can reference vast amounts of information. This book is not about the latest recycled teaching fad, and there are plenty of resources of how to use AI in the classroom. Instead, this book is made by teachers who already use AI for other teachers, parents, and the community. It offers an alternative to reorganizing the educational community to leverage AI so that students can once again enjoy learning. Teachers can enjoy their jobs, and educators can see promising results in state and national tests. Don't miss this chance to revolutionize education. Get your copy of the book, AI, Empathy, and Education Revolution, now on Amazon. Make learning more fun, engaging, and effective for everyone.